Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video we will discuss in detail about the basics of Microsoft Excel in detail, and this is the part 1 video of learning Microsoft Excel from basics to advanced level. So keep watching the coming series of the tutorials. So by watching and understanding of those tutorials, you will be able to completely learn the Microsoft Excel, which is a very famous and commonly used software for the analysis of any data and for the calculations. So this is a very common software and used in the daily life in different situations. So in order to learn the Excel from the basics to advanced level, so let's start the part 1. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more informative videos regarding the different softwares that are used in especially in civil and structural engineering. So let's start. So when you open your Microsoft Excel for the first time, so this is the screen. By default you will see like this. This is the home page, means the when you open for the first time, so it will look like this. You can also customize these tools that are available on this ribbon, and also you can hide these tools from here. And these at the top left corner of the main window of the Excel, so these are the different tools. So we will learn in detail these in this video. Here this is called the quick access toolbars, and this is the save, this is the undo, and this is the redo but tools. And this is the icon for the means the symbol for the Excel. And from here this drop down buttons menu, you can add the tools in the quick access toolbars, or you can hide, means if you want to show the email in the quick access toolbar, so you will click. So now you can see this tools for the email has been now appeared. And if you want to show the new, you will, this is a new file. From here you can open new Excel sheet, and you can add or you can hide any tools from this quick access toolbars drop down menu. And this is the menu bar, main menu bar. From here, this is in the main menu, the first one is the file. When you click on the file, so there are different tools available in the file. Is the first one is save, save as, open, close, info, recent, new, print, save and send, help, options, exits. And in the info, these are the different tools associated with the info. So first in the home tab, these are the different tools, so we will learn in detail all these and their functions. So in the Excel, this is the main working portions in which you will be analyzing your data calculations. So this is called the columns, these vertical portions. Like this is the column, and this column has been named as A, and this column has been named as B. So in this directions, so the column has been designated with the English alphabets, and you can go in this direction from here, these buttons, and on these vertical directions 1 2 3 4, this represents the rows. This is a row, in this row this is the, and this small square is basically called the cell, and it every cell has a different unique name. If you click on this cell, so now you can see this is the name for this cell is F9, means this cell lie in the column F and in the row 9. So this cell has been named as F9. Every cell in this sheet has a different unique names, and which has been designated as per the number, as per the columns and the row positions. These all are rows, 1 2 3, and these are the columns. And in this is a Excel workbook, and in this workbook there are a lot of sheets you can add, and by default there are 3 sheets available in this, in a Microsoft Excel workbook. These 3 one, this is, now we are in the sheet 1, this is the sheet 2, and this is the sheet 3, and you can also add from here the another sheet. This is sheet 4, now you can add another sheet 5, and you can also delete the sheet by right click and we'll click on the delete. So this was all about the basics, and in the next video we will be discussing about the in detail about the different tools available in the file. We will be discussing in detail this, and then we'll be discussing the functions of the different tools available in the home tab, like these are the clipboard tools, this is the font tools, this is the alignment tools, this is the number tools. So we will be discussing all these one by one in detail in the next videos. And then this is the insert tab with different tools available and their functions in the insert tab will be discussed in detail in the coming videos. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. And now if you have any questions about these basics of the Microsoft Excel, so you can ask in the comment section. And also in the Excel you can analyze any type of data, and you can create your own formulas for the calculations in the Excel. And Excel is a very powerful software, and most of the companies and also in small businesses, they use this software to analyze their data and calculations. So this is a very powerful and commonly used software, so you are required to learn it completely. So now if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.